welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery. I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Shannon. I'm a Spoonie, somebody who lives with chronic conditions, and I have several of them. I'm also a zebra, somebody with a rare or undiagnosed condition. If you want to know more about that, it's in the FAQ section of every video. I highly recommend checking that out because people ask me the question, so I started the FAQ section. I'm so glad you're here today. I hope we have a wonderful time together. Who knows what we're gonna do on today's video, so let's get started. We are doing another flip through of another kit book. So this is the My Little Pony Crochet Kit by Jane Whitley, and oh my goodness, these are so cute. But the sad part is, when you get the packaging, you don't know what you're buying, but there's actually more than ponies in here. And these are some really cute designs. So if you are a My Little Pony fan, or just a pony fan in general, or you just want to see what's inside this kit, stay tuned. First, of course, we have the beautiful cover page with our lovely princesses. And fun fact, I am a My Little Pony Friendship is Magic fan, so yes, I know their names. Princesscandance, Princessluna, and Princess Celestia. If you didn't know I was a nerd, now you do. Okay. As always, these kits start out with tools, materials, finished sizes, what came inside your kit. There was enough, supposedly, to make twilightsparkle and rainbowdash in your kit. In the beginning here, we have learning the basic stitches, in case you are a beginner, but I want to make this very clear. Do not buy one of these cute little Barnes & Noble kits if you are a beginner. You are not ready. You are not ready. Yeah, it's not a beginner kit. I don't care what it says. Not beginner. This is about an intermediate. And you'll see why. Now, embroidery is important in this, which is another reason why it's not a beginner kit. And you need to know some embroidery techniques, and she teaches you some. A lot of these are made the exact same way, so they have a basic body. So they have the basic body, basic head, because a lot of these are made the exact same way. This is twilightsparkle. Twilightsparkle was a young magic student when Princess Celestia first took her under her wing. Twilight's love of books made her faithful, loyal pupil, but it wasn't until she opened her heart to true friendship that she discovered her own natural spark. Her dedication to friendship and equestria earned her a set of wings and the title Princess Twilightsparkle, and now she lives in a castle of friendship in Ponyville, and you can make Twilightsparkle with or without her wings. Use a 2.75mm hook, or a C, DK yarn, black felt, embroidery floss, pins, glue, tapestry needles, scissors, stuffing, and optional plastic straw for a neck support. She's very cute. I love this little chibi style that they all went with. Here is a side view of her. You can see her beautiful little, what do they call it? Cutie mark. Her cutie mark. Which has to do with her destiny, I believe. Spike, the baby dragon. As Twilight's best friend and #1 assistant, Spike relocated from Canterlot to Ponyville to help her learn about friendship. Not only is he loyal and dedicated, he is able to send letters to and from Celestia using his fiery dragon breath. He cherishes his friendships with ponies, especially his crush on the beautiful Rarity. Use the same size hook and yarn. Nothing extra special about him, except that he's very, very cute. Rainbowdash. No pony in Ponyville can fly as fast as Rainbowdash. The newly minted Wonderbolt is very competitive. She takes opportunity to show off her soaring skills. As a Pegasus, she is responsible for the weather and can clear clouds from the sky in 10 seconds flat. Her confidence and skills sometimes make her proud and brash, but she has proven herself a true and loyal friend time and time again. Love this one. All the colors just make me so happy. Here, I'll show you another picture of her mane. There's another picture of her mane you can see from the top. I love it. Here's another picture. And a close-up of her cutie mark. There you go. See? Not for beginners. And number 4, we have Fluttershy.
Oh my goodness, is it my turn?
Yes, dear, it is.
Okay.
Fluttershy is a soft-spoken Pegasus, has a special gift communicating and comforting all types of animals. Although she and rainbowdash grew up together in Cloudsdale, Fluttershy has found she prefers to stay on the ground. Her kindness and gentle ways always prove as an asset to Ponyville when problems arise. She's one of my favorites.
Which is why I like to try and do her voice.
But I don't do it nearly as well as the voice actress. Oh my goodness. Fun fact, several of the voice actors in the show double. So they do multiple characters, which is really fun. Especially when they're talking to themselves. Basically, that is just a hoot. They recommend practicing her cutie mark. It's 3 beautiful little butterflies. Her mane looks incredibly easy, so that's nice. It's Pinkie Pie! Pinkie Pie has one mission: to bring joy to every pony. When she's not working at Sugar Cube Corner Bakery, making sweet treats or telling jokes, she's planning and throwing parties. You'll know if Pinkie Pie is ever down because her mane becomes flat and lifeless. But as Pinkie Pie knows best, laughter is always the best medicine. She's so cute. I like how they did her floof. I was very curious when I saw that this was a kit how they were going to do that because her mane is just, well, here. You can see for yourself. Kind of crazy, but fun. There we go. Here's a great picture of her, complete with her cutie mark, 3 balloons. I love how they did the mane. That's great. It's Applejack. Well, hi there, Sugar Cube. Hello, Applejack. Applejack is a down-home, farm-raised, salt-of-the-earth pony. She lives on Sweet Apple Acres with her family, Granny Smith, her older brother Big Macintosh, and her younger sister Applebloom. Applejack's stubbornness and rustic manners are offset by her hard work, dependability, and honesty. Love her, but I am from the South, so I kind of like her a little bit. She is awesome. I think her cutie mark might be my favorite. The little apples are just precious, and I love that she has a hat. I'm so glad they included the hat. The only thing I'm sad about with this kit is there's no pets. They didn't include any of their pets, and their pets are so precious. Let me know in the comments. Should I design the pets? Let me know. Not a lot of pictures I can show you, but here is the inside of her hat. And here's her cutie mark, complete with her braided tail. Number 7 is Rarity. Oh really, darling, it's about time you got to me. Sorry, Rarity. Rarity has an eye for beauty, and she uses her talent to create fashions at the 3 boutiques in Equestria. She is a pony of exquisite taste and wants every detail of her designs to be absolutely divine. Believing outer beauty should reflect inner beauty, Rarity is generous with her time and skills to make other ponies sparkle. Every single time I take a test that says which of the main 6 are you, I always get Rarity. Do you guys agree? Am I a Rarity? I don't know. I do like her. I love that she's British. That was kind of random because none of the other ponies are. Like the old Hollywood, which is like almost British. You know, like Katharine Hepburn or something. She's so cute. So she's the one we were talking about earlier that Spike has a crush on. Oh yes, I would definitely say diamonds are a girl's best friend. Ah, Her Majesty, Princess Celestia. Princess Celestia rules over Equestria with her younger sister, Princess Luna. Using her wisdom and powerful magic, she raises the sun each day and maintains peace throughout Equestria. She has taught some of the most gifted unicorns, including Sunburst, sunsetshimmer, and now Princess twilightsparkle. And I'm just gonna say it, Sunburst and sunsetshimmer are not in here. Also, my favorite pony is not in here. Not fair. Anyway, same instructions, a lot more felt, because you gotta make her crown and her little necklace. It's not really a necklace. Anyway, you know. And of course the gem on her crown. A lot more color changes. You definitely have to change colors for her hooves. And her hair is a little bit complicated too. See, I wasn't kidding. That's a little bit of work, but it's pretty. Princess Luna. Princess Luna shares responsibility for ruling over Equestria with Princess Celestia, her older sister. It is Princess Luna who raises the moon so that night can come and the ponies can rest. Many moons ago, jealousy of her sister caused Princess Luna to turn into Nightmare Moon. Luckily, twilightsparkle and the elements of harmony restored Luna and reunited her with her sister. Together, they maintain harmony in Equestria. I have a friend whose favorite character is Princess Luna, and I'm very tempted to make this one. I can test the kit for you guys, but also I think she'd really like it, and I'm pretty sure there's not a chance she's going to see this video, so I can talk about it. But I think I'm going to make this for her, so yeah. My favorite princess, Princess Cadance. Princess Cadance protects the Crystal Empire with her husband shiningarmor. Oops, spoiler alert. She is a kind and wise leader who uses her magic to serve her subjects. Cadance developed her leadership skills while studying with Princess Celestia in her youth. And she also shares a special bond with twilightsparkle, being her former foal sitter. Cadance, not Twilight. She was Twilight's foal sitter. Okay. That was not the best worded sentence. Now, as a mother to Flurryheart, again, spoiler, Cadance dedicates herself to both kingdom and family. That's right, she's the first princess mom in the series. Also the first one to get married. She's so cute. I love what they did. She looks great. So here's a look at her mane. Very similar to Princess Celestia in technique, but the little rolls and stuff up here are a little different to make her unique. She's so cute. And they made her teeny tiny little cutie mark, which is actually supposed to be a crystal heart, so that would be really hard to stitch, so they just did that. So, but that's what it looks like, this. Okay, so My Little Pony made a movie, and Emily Blunt voiced this character, Tempest Shadow. I'm guessing there's going to be a major spoiler here. This unicorn with a troubled past seeks to mend her broken horn, but cannot do it alone. While exploring outside Equestria, she forms an alliance with a power-hungry Storm King who promises to restore her magical horn in return for stealing the magic from the princesses of Equestria. twilightsparkle shows Tempest that the greatest magic is found in friendship, and together they will defeat the evil Storm King. Yep, spoiler, I knew it. Anyway, Tempest Shadow, there she is, voiced by the lovely Emily Blunt. So cute. Although, you know, if you're making her, you should repair her horn. She deserves to have a whole one. By the end of the movie, anyway. Here's another picture. Very interesting cutie mark. Look at that. Isn't that weird? I don't even know what that represents. And what's a villainess without an evil henchman? Hedgehog Henchman Grubber works as the storm guard for the Storm King. He wants to be powerful and mean like Commander Tempest and tries to be her sidekick. However, she coldly ignores him when he fails to capture twilightsparkle and her friends. After the Storm King's defeat, Tempest reconciles with Grubber, assuring him that he may not be an evil sidekick, but he is a loyal friend who can make everyone laugh. He has a cute design. He kind of reminds me of a little gremlin. He's got spikes running down his back. And then the back page here, we've got the cutie marks, what they look like, so that you can practice them. We've got templates back here for all the felt. She really did think of everything. So that's it. That is the My Little Pony crochet kit book flip through. I hope you liked it. Which one was your favorite? Are you a My Little Pony fan? Just curious. Let me know in the comments what you liked, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I would love to have you come back. And remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.